Holy cow, that almost killed me.
I feel like the year Scott broke his leg. Oh man, that's okay if you break your leg. You'll be fine. You can still film.
That's fine.
I had all those knives last year for. Are they still around? Are they still around? Last I checked, you paid the taxes at this address there, Holmes. Let me see how secure it is.
Too bad it'll be nice and let you use it.
It'll be a 3-inch gun though. 20 wheat fields and 50, 60 guys fighting for them.
A lot of people are probably within our crew. A lot of opinions on what we should do.
Oh yeah, that's
an everyday thing.
Yeah. A lot of personality. Mix.
You're not even strong enough to get that up though. I don't think. You haven't been lifting at all.
I always lift. We should have a section of. We should have like just a designated section for 3-inch shells. Number ones.
Steel?
A mismatch.
Oh, it's a mismatch of ones?
Yeah. Got some heavy steel 3-inch.
That's your go-to right there,
3.5. Some heavy
That's what you'll
bismuth.
start out with.
You know, my 3rd shell, I like to maybe load one of them in there a little heavier, get out a little bit. Have some knockdown.
I like if one piece is nice.
It's one piece.
Those ducks are one piece.
They are.
See, they weren't one piece before. That's nice.
Not our old ones.
That's cool.
Are they fully flock fed?
That one's got you in a bad mood.
I mean, that's like a rookie mistake.
We're like,
how many seasons you been doing this?
they're all called signature series.
Yeah, they are.
Bill, I love you, but you should have known I wanted.
Bill, you should have been able to read my mind. Oh, look at 2. More steaks.
More steaks then.
Oh yeah, we need more steaks.
They look bigger. They're bigger?
Heads are flash, right?
Yeah, they're fine.
You think we'll kill any ducks this year?
I doubt it. There's not many around. I haven't seen many. Ben did say that he's seen about 24 black ducks in the golf course in Lexington.
Really?
Yep.
Scott Johnson would go hunt those strictly all year.
Black ducks? He loves them?
He'd go hunt them until he'd kill all of them.
He loves black ducks that much?
I'm saying, like, it's a rare.
He used them. He didn't put them back, so it's just empty.
You care about people's hearing?
I do.
Long-term hearing?
I do. You know what I care more about, though?
Shooting birds?
People's attitudes. And today they suck. I don't like it.
Why?
I'm already going to call it now. I'm getting my duck boat. It's over. Never have now.
Whoa, there you go.
Get a sip of it, man. Is it hot? What was your drink of choice?
Corona Extra.
Lime?
No,
No lime in it?
no lime. Put the lime in the...
Are you a lime guy, Ben, when you're drinking Coronas? Oh, yeah. You gotta.
Well, at home I do, yeah.
Yeah. Last night, but when you don't really need it.
No, don't really need it.
Yeah, it turned it into a top shelf drink, right?
Yep, this thing ain't working. Number 1 rule of early goose season.
Headlamp.
And rubber boots.
Yep.
We're running somewhat of a W with 2 landing. 12 guys.
12 guys, typical opening morning.
Yes.
How many blinds are we running?
I believe 4.
4, okay. Plenty of room for everyone to stretch out.
By 4,
plenty of room, yes.
4,
But, you know, there's no wind.
16. 2 by 16.
Thank God it's opening day. There's no wind. And we're just going to give it a shot.
Are we going to have fun, you think?
Always.
Okay.
Always
That's
have
all that
fun.
matters, though, right?
Always have fun with TCN.
Hunt smarter, harvest more with heavy metal from Heavy Shot. 16% more downrange knockdown power with new higher density bismuth pellets layered over corrosion resistant steel. Try heavy metal today and increase your odds. Tighter patterns, longer range, clean kills. Heavy Shot. I didn't come this far to miss.
Those long shots we should take. Like these two birds right here, we shouldn't have shot at them.
Shoot him!
Call. They're coming.
Still coming. Shoot him!
Did
you kill anything with it?
Huh? Did you pop its cherry?
Hell yeah.
Did you pop the Masai Mara's cherry?
Yep.
Yeah, good.
I always have it on. No, I always keep it on. Always. That was good.
Wow. I got 5. I got 4.
So that was probably most of the birds on that.
I don't know.
You never know in this fog. There's more behind us.
I'm out of shape.
I eat so many feathers.
Oh, wait. Fucking burn down. Burn my back.
Over here. We got people everywhere.
Huh?
10 minutes.
7:17.
I don't even know what's going on. Where am I?
7:17. It's only been 40 minutes. You've only been hunting 40
Well, I've
minutes.
been up since 8:30. Getting real hot. I feel like our spread today was not like our normal early season spread.
It's tight.
Yeah, it was like a big tight W.
They were tight in here though.
Really? I mean, it's a lot of birds for a small parcel, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I like those blinds though, big time.
I'm actually gonna have service up there. I can switch areas.
Yes, sir.
What kind? Ghost kind?
We got out here at right after the birds left, stayed the night, got the blinds all thatched in, dewed in, they look good, and we had a pretty good hunt. Barring there was 2 other groups in the field. They flared a few of our birds, but we ended up getting pretty close to our limit, and 2 more fields lined up for tomorrow.
Kill 'em.